Question number 5. Find the mean of 25 given numbers when the mean of 10 of them is 13 and the mean of the remaining numbers is 18. Mean of 10 students is equal to 13. Sum of numbers is equal to 10 multiplied by 13, 130. Mean of remaining number, that is mean of 15 students is equal to 18. Sum of numbers is equal to 15 multiplied by 18. 18 into 15, that is 15 8s are 120. 12 carry. 15 1s are 15 plus 12, 27. That is 270. Total sum of 25 students is equal to 130 plus 270. That is equal to 400. So mean of 25 students is equal to 400 divided by 25. That is 25 16s are 400 equal to 16. Answer. Mean of 10 students is 13. Sum of numbers, that is 10 multiplied by 13 equal to 130. Mean of remaining students, 25 minus 10, that is equal to 15. So mean of 15 students equal to 18 and sum of numbers equal to 18 multiplied by 15. 18 into 15, that is equal to 270. And total sum of 25 students, that is 130 plus 270 equal to 400. So mean of 25 students equal to total sum is 400 divided by 25, that is equal to 16. Answer. Question number 6. Find the mean of the following distribution. Number is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and frequency equal to 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. Solution. Number, that is xi. Frequency fi. Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And frequency is 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. Fi, Xi. 5 ones are 5, 10 twos are 20, 15 fives are 75, 26 are 120, 25 threes are 75, 32s are 60, 35 ones are 35. And sum of frequencies 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 3, 17, 19 and 20. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20. 2 carry 2 plus 3, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 2, 20, 27 plus 2, 29. 2 plus 1, 3. Summation Fi, Xi. So mean X dash equal to summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi. Mean equal to 390 upon 20 equal to 39 divided by 2. 19 2s are 38, 1.0, 10, 5 2s are 10. So mean equal to 19.5. Answer. Given number, that is Xi equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and frequencies 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. Multiply Fi Xi. 1 into 5, 5. 10 into 2, 20. 15 into 5, that is equal to 75. 20 into 6, 120. 25 into 3, that is equal to 75. 30 into 2, 60. 35 ones are 35. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20. 2 carry, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 2, 20 plus 7, 27 plus 2, 29. 29 and 2 carry, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 390. Fi Xi is equal to 390 and sum of frequency, that is equal to 20. So mean, that is X dash equal to Fi Xi upon summation Fi. Fi Xi, that is equal to 390 divided by sum of frequencies 20. 0 0 is cancelled and 39 upon 2. So 39 divided by 2. 19 2s are 38. 1.0, 5s are 10. So we get 19.5. So mean equal to 19.5. Answer. Thank you.